Hi students, so today in this video I am going to teach you how to subtract 5-digit number. So I have picked one question from your exercise 3.5 and I am going to show you how to subtract this 5-digit number. So let us subtract. In order to subtract, we will start doing subtraction from ones place. So in ones place the digits are 4 and 3. So we have to subtract 3 from 4. Okay, so 4 minus 3 will give us 1. Okay, now we will proceed to tens place. So in tens place 7 minus 7 will give us 0. Now in hundred place 3 minus 2 will give us 1. In thousand place 6 minus 3 will give us 3. In 10,000 place 7 minus 6 will give us 1. And we have successfully subtracted this number from this number. And the answer is 13101. Okay, so when we have subtracted 63273 from 76374, what do we get? We get this number, which is 13101. Hi students, so I am back with one more question from your exercise 3.6, which is question number 8, which is telling us to subtract. So let us subtract. Okay, so in this situation I have told you, in subtraction we will start from ones place. So in ones place the number are 0 and 8, and we are told to subtract 8 from 0. But how can we subtract a greater number by a smaller number? Yes or not? So in this situation we have to borrow one digit from this place. So this tens place will give 1 to this place and this will become 10. Why it will become 10? Because the value of this place is 10. Yes or not? It has given 1, but 1 in this place means 10 because this is tens place. So we will consider it as 10. Now this place has become 10 and this will become 1. Why? Because it has donated 1 to this ones place. So this will become 1 rather than 2. Okay, now we are ready to subtract in this place. Now 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Yes or not? Now here, so now in this place there is 1 and 3. Same situation. 3 is greater than 1 and we cannot subtract greater number from a smaller number. So now this place will give 1 to this place and this will become 11 and this will now become 2. Why? Because this has donated 1 to tens place, so it will become 2. Now this place is 11. Now 11 minus 3 will give us 8. Yes. Now in this place it is 2 and 2 subtracted from 6 is not possible because 6 is a greater number than 2. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 from this place and it will become 12 and this place will become 7. Okay, so now we are ready to subtract 12 from 6 and 12 minus 6 will give us 6. Now 7 minus 7. Yes, 7 minus 7 is possible because these two numbers are same. So in this situation we are not required to borrow one digit from this place. So we can simply subtract 7 with 7 and 7 minus 7 will give us 0. And now 3 minus 2 will give us 1. So I have shown you how to subtract number by borrowing method, and I think this And I think this type of subtraction is also clear to you. So I encourage you to do some more problem related to this topic, which will make this topic very clear to you.